Welcome, in front of me is a Nubia N1 Lite, and today I will show you how to set up and enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and from here you should see the toggle somewhere around here. Now before you tap on it, you want to hold it. It looks like in this case it doesn't actually take us to the settings, so we can tap on it, and from here we have more settings. So let's choose that. And then you have priority only allows, so you can choose where it exactly do not disturb mode, what it blocks and doesn't. And as an example, you have messages and calls. Both of them have the same option, so I'll just go over one. But you can allow messages and calls from anyone, contacts only, favorite contacts, or none. Choose whichever one you want for both of them. I'm gonna select none, and I guess staired contacts. And then at the bottom you have an option for repeated callers, which will allow someone to still reach you no matter what the setting either here or here is. I mean, at least for calls. So even for instance, if you set it to no one, at least in this case it blocks it. So it looks like here is a little bit different than normally. And majority of the cases where you have the Do Not Disturb mode, and actually, there we go. Okay, so none. Okay, there it is. It was my bad. So as you can see, now it's set to none. And if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, you will get notified about it. And this is a good option to have in terms of emergencies. So you are still aware that someone is trying to reach you because of some kind of emergency. You only get notified as long as they called twice within that 15-minute. Other than that, it will be completely disregarded. And apart from that, you can go back, and you have also automatic rule, where you can set it up to basically turn on and off automatically based on a schedule. And you can tap to add automatic rule. Let's make a time, put a name, whatever you want, it doesn't really matter here. And once you enter a name, you will be on this page right here. So starting off days of the week, select which days of the week you want it to work in. So if you want something spicy, like every other day, you can set it like so. Then start time, choose whatever time you want it to start. I'm gonna create a one for work, so let's make it 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There we go. And do not disturb, priority only. So you can have alarms or total silence. The priority is the one that we actually have control over, that we have just set. So probably the best option. And once all of that is set, you can simply go back, and it automatically is enabled, as you can see right on the check mark right here. So assuming it's in the period of time, it looks like it already has enabled itself. So you can see that by the circle with the cross, and also if I pull it down, you can see it right here. So now that it's set to the automatic, it will turn on and off every single or every other day from 9 to 5. Now you can still turn it off if you want to by simply tapping on it to disable it, and also tapping on it to enable it, where it will give you some other options, like for instance the either until you turn it off or a specific amount of time, which you can keep adding hours if you want to. And also you have the choices right here, so you have total silence, alarm only, or priority only, which is the one that we have set. So from here you can choose whichever one you want and tap on done, and it will become enabled. And once more, if you set it to until you turn it off, then you will have to tap on it to turn it off. But that is how you set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.